Namaste children. Today we are going to see the subtopic from the lesson when people rebel in 1857 and after. The subtopic is the company fights back. See my dear children, that last class we have discussed about how the rebel starts and where the spark happened. Then and there it spread out in the central India and also the northern India and how it was suppressed. So now we are going to discuss about how the company fights back with the Indian rulers, especially the native rulers of central India and also the northern India. See children, the British East India Company which passed new laws so that the rebels could be convicted with easy and then moved into strong centers of the revolt. In Delhi, last Mughal emperor, whose name was called Bahadur Shah Zafar, sentenced to life imprisonment because who involved in that Sepoy rebel. He and his wife Begum Zeenat Mahal were sent to prison. See children, Begum Zeenat Mahal and Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar, who belonged to Delhi, but they were exiled to Rangoon to imprison because of the British laws. Rulers were sent to prison in Rangoon in October 1858. Bahadur Shah Zafar, who died in the Rangoon jail at November 1862. The recapture of Delhi, however, did not mean that the rebellion died down after that. People continued to resist and battle with the British. The British had to fight for 2 years to suppress the massive forces of popular rebellion of the Sepoys. Lucknow was taken in March 1858. Rani Lakshmi Bai was defeated and killed in June 1858. A similar fate awaited Rani Avanti Bai, who ruled Mandala region, which is known as Madhya Pradesh. So she too also suffered a lot because of the British suppression. Then and there, Avanti Bai, who after initial victory in Kerry chose to embrace death when surrounded by the British on all sides. Tandya Top, who was the general of Rani Lakshmi Bai, who escaped from that British control, and he entered inside the central India jungle and he gathered the people who comes under the tribal and he attacked the guerrilla war with the Britishers. But at last he was tried to come out from the British, but he can't. He was killed by the Britishers in 1859. He along with the tribals and also the farmers. The British also tried their best to win back the loyalty of the people. They announced rewards for the loyal landholders would be allowed to continue to enjoy traditional rights over their lands. Those who had rebelled were told that if they submitted to the British and if they had not killed any white people, because in that Sepoy rebellion, the rebels who killed most of the English officers, so that only the British announced these policies. At the end, hundreds of Sepoys, rebels, Nawabs and Rajas were tried and hanged. Hope you all are understood this topic, children. We will see in the next class. Thank you.